So we were asked to create a presentation of our work for this project. In our project, we were asked to choose a plugin or a library through jQuery, and I chose Alertify. Alertify specializes in dialog boxes and pop-up boxes, alert boxes, um, other types of things, and I'll show you a little more in the presentation. Um, Basic structure um, that you would assume for any kind of a plugin. Um, and let me show you what I came up with for the reveal presentation. The real reveal presentation is pretty short because I wanted to show a lot of hands-on, but here's my reveal presentation. Alertify is responsive whether you use a desktop, laptop, or tablet mobile device. So if your businesses need um, to be visual on all platforms, cell phones and laptops and tablets, and this is a good um, plugin. It's feature rich. It has a lot of options, a lot of stuff you can do. It's themable. There's the Alertify.js, the semantic, and the bootstrap, and I'll show you examples of those in a little bit. Alertify is I18N and RTL supportive. If you don't know what that is, which I didn't before this, basically that's for Middle Eastern countries and some parts of Asia, North Korea, South Korea, China, I believe others, where they read from right to left instead of left to right. That would allow the dialog box to pop up in that orientation so that it's appropriate if you translate your website or anything like that. So on to my example. Well, first off, I wanted to say some more stuff. Dialogues are made a lot easier with Alertify. There's a lot less guesswork involved, and they come out looking really crisp, and they're good. They can be used to ensure the user understands. They have to press OK to proceed. If you want to confirm or deny, you can give them two options. Alertify has covered that. You can have the proceed and cancel, so you know. Like, I'll give some examples. 3 times the 3 themes I talked about earlier. Let's go ahead and check those out. So we've got here's a semantic example of the semantic. It's pretty cool. I like it. Here we'll click on one. It looks like more Android-ish. Sorry, I'm pretty new to this stuff, so to me this is every single thing is new. And then here's the bootstrap. It comes flying in or something. If you hit cancel, what happens then? Nothing special. So, set back to the. There we go. These unobtrusive notifications will give feedback and let users know they're completing tasks and not forgetting anything. I think that's interesting. That's why we use alerts and prompts, so we can get data and we can ensure that things are being done correctly. Here's an example of that language reversal thing I was telling you about. So Arabic or Farsi, I'm not sure, one or the other. See how it's right to left? You type my name, but it still types correctly. It's neither here nor there. Okay, now for my examples, I have a confirm. Confirm your selection. Is this what you intended? Okay or cancel? Okay, it's green. Cancel, red. So you have both sides. And I like how it kind of hangs out. Notify. This is just to say, like, you're voting on something. Like, vote. You want to know that you voted. You push the button. Push the button. So you can vote as many times as you want. It just keeps going. Eventually, we go over. It's pretty cool too. Prompt. So date of birth, for example. So me, I'm born in. You entered this. Now if I were to enter, it says cancel. So we got that there. Also wanted to kind of show around on what Alertify. So So we've got alerts, confirms, prompts, notifiers. Click on these and show. This is the notifier I was talking about. So this is how the website explains it. Pretty much though, easy to use. I'm very new to all this, and I had a harder time, to be honest, on the reveal portion than I did on understanding and utilizing Alertify.